Hi, good afternoon. It's 28th of April. It's the 29th of April. I'm doing Dordle, Quordle and Octordle. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to start off with Guild. We've got a U. I'm going to start off with, just put stare in. Got a T and RE. T's in the right place. It could end ER. I was going to say store, can't be store. Let's try another couple of letters. Let's try nymph. See what that gives us. There's a P, there's a Y. I was going to say jumpy, but there's an M there, so it can't be jumpy. Guppy, as in the fish, maybe. Not guppy. Puppy. Lots of P's. That's quite an hard one to get. And then there's an H, an E, and an R there. THER, other. Have I used a no? No, I haven't used a no. Right, other than puppy. So that's the Dordle done. On to the Quordle. Let's start with the same letters again then. So we'll have guild, we'll have nymph, and we'll have stare. And let's see what that gets us. Alright, so S-T-A, that's got to be steak, I guess, isn't it? Oh, it's not steak. Steve. We got N, that's never. We got an S, a U, an L, an E, and this one is it's got an M in it, so that's qualm. And then we got an L, a U, an E, an S. We haven't got to use the house over again, so that's louse. Right, so then on to the Octordle. We'll do the same words. Got guild, nymph, and stare. Right, so you got M-U-N-T-E. That's going to be unmet. This one is a L-A-M-Y. That could be anything at this moment in time. An S-A, Sandy. And D-E-L and M. D-E-L-M. This could probably end in E-D. So it'll be L-E-D. Mold. Or it could be, why haven't I got, don't know why I haven't had O's in this these set of words. Alright, then we got a U-R-T, trout, as in the fish. Yes. H, just an H and an E in that one. And then this one I got, an E and a G to go in. So it's going to be nay. This one is a G-A-E-L. That's going to be a gavel. Which is what a judge uses. So you've got an E, an H. Oops. An E and an H in that one. And that's it. Sandy model. And then this one is, it's got an O, a Y, and a, that's alloy, is it? Right, alloy, unmet, sandy model, trout. Is that going to be a double letter in the middle of it? I'm trying to think what letters I haven't used now. Right, so it could be a double E. It could be beach. Gotta be leech. Right, let's try beach. Beach it is. There you go. So that's the Dordle, Wordle and Octordle 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow. If you could click subscribe, that'd be great. And then you can go and have a look at my back catalogue and hopefully it'll be something you like. Cheers, bye.